So today in the studio, we are doing something a little bit different. Okay, so as you saw in the title, this is the iArt video. So no, not going to be doing art, drawing eyes, not going to be coloring eyes. No, we are actually going to be trying to recreate an eye shadow tutorial on Pinterest. And I'm going to be doing it on my own face, doing my own eye makeup. If you guys can see, I just have primer and foundation on. Like the rest of my face is mostly done. But I haven't done my eyes yet. Haven't filled in the eyebrows, haven't done eyeshadow, haven't done mascara, nothing. So eyes are not done except for primer. So I'm gonna find a video on Pinterest, and we are going to recreate an eyeshadow look. I'm probably mostly going to use this palette. It's the palette I'm mostly going to use. Okay, and this is where in the editing process, I realized that I cannot speak and put eyeshadow on at the same time. So we're going to do this voiceover style, even though that was not my original intention. Okay, so the video is showing you to put on like a brightish red, fiery red color as your base layer. So you're layering on this brightest red that you have that you're using. And you put it in the crease and then over your whole lid. I'm using the kind of brush that it looked like they were using on the video, but it wasn't working. Like you can see my face there. I wasn't working. So I'm going to go ahead and grab a different brush. I'm grabbing a fluffier shadow brush, which I use all the time. Like this is probably my go-to brush. I don't know why I didn't pick it up first, but so then I'm going to blend in the bright red color that is going on the lid and in the crease. Now, remember I am an artist. I am not a beauty guru. This is an art and teaching channel, not a beauty channel. However, I thought it would be fun to try and recreate some of these amazing artist looks that you see on Pinterest. Artist eye looks anyway. Cosmetologist, makeup artist type look in the everyday styling. So here I am watching the video again, and this is a fast video, so I had to watch it a few times. Okay, so after watching the video a few times, I noticed she was swatching the colors on her hand to try and find the best colors that go together. So there I put the darkest color on my hand, and then I'll use the palette to find colors that kind of go along with it. We do the same thing. We will swatch our colors on scrap paper and find what we're going to go with. So here I am comparing what I'm watching to blinding you with the light off the mirror. I am so sorry. You'll see that I swatched the next color, so I'm going to use this next lighter shade. And then she also shows a dark brown, so I'm going to use that out of a different palette, and I'm going to swatch that on my hand so you can see the colors there. So those are the three colors that we're combining to make this autumn inspired smoky eye. So here I am watching the video again. You would think I've never done a smoky eye. Well, I guess I really haven't done a smoky eye. I don't usually like the way that it looks on me the few times that I've tried because it never has really turned out. but I love the look of them. So here I am putting on the second shade, and for some reason the video has you pretty much put it on top of everything that you just put on. So you're layering this dark shade and then the mid-tone shade over everything that you just put on. And maybe you go a little bit higher than your crease to kind of like ombre it up towards your brow. And I realized I was covering up pretty much everything I was doing. So now I'm looking down at the mirror, kind of, so you can see better. When I look off to the side there, I keep checking the camera to make sure that, or checking the computer to make sure I'm on screen, because my camera itself is off. When I'm looking at you, I'm actually looking to the right of my computer, so I just want to make sure that I'm on screen. Okay, but now I'm telling you that in the video, she says to put, she doesn't really say, it's just a film with really awful techno type music. But you take the dark brown and you really kind of fill in the crease. And I'm using that rounder brush again because it makes it easier to get those dark creases in to exactly where you want. And then the darkness along the eyelid, the eyelashes, like at the bottom of your lid, not your whole lid, just along your lash line. So I'm filling in that dark color. And this is really kind of how I do my makeup most days. I'll put like a V in the corner and like darker color or some sort of color in the crease. So I'm filling that in. My other eye's off camera, but I'm really doing nothing with it, so. All right, so she takes concealer and puts it on the lid and then taps in like a taupe color, which I'm gonna use. I think I'm gonna use this one here because it's kind of shimmery and it'll probably look right over the. We'll see. We shall see. So I'm just gonna use this one, my correction kit. So she taps this on, well, she brushes it on. Okay, like you guys are seeing, I am tapping in the concealer over the lid like I was just explaining. I am using my correction kit, and just so you guys know, this is not a sponsored video, even though you can see the brand that I am using throughout the video. It is not sponsored. However, e.l.f. love your products, and if you want to, get them reviewed, maybe with a fun art video or something different, hook me up. I'm your girl. I'll even do, face makeup again because this is fun. I love wearing my makeup. So anyway, here I am putting the um, concealer over all of the eyeshadow I just put on. I don't understand like why we put the eyeshadow underneath. It doesn't make any sense to me. Why is the eyeshadow underneath the concealer? Like, why didn't we just like blend it all together? I don't understand, but it's the video. I don't even remember what I'm saying there, so hopefully it was funny. Okay, so I went back and listened, and I was commenting how my eyelids kind of felt funny. They like felt heavy. So there I am. I'm gonna tap in the taupe on top of the concealer, and I'm still feeling like the color I chose is more of a sand than a taupe, maybe, and definitely needs more sparkle. I wonder if I went to Ulta, which that's where the video came from, their website and their Pinterest account. But I wonder if I went there and showed them the video, they would do my makeup to like recreate that eyeshadow on my eyes. 'Cause then I could like compare, like learn and see how they're actually doing it and then maybe I could recreate it. Maybe that's something I'll do in another video. That might be fun. We'll see. Don't steal my idea, any of you booty gurus. Booty gurus. Beauty gurus who might happen to be watching my super small art channel. And if you are, hey, hi, glad you're here. Hit the subscribe button if you want some more random silly videos like these. Okay, so in the video, she took the lighter color and pulled it under her eyelashes. So that makes no sense to me because you usually pull the dark color under. And um, did a final watch, and her eyeshadow kind of came up higher than mine is because mine's like sitting like right above my crease, and it's just kind of like there. So I'm gonna add a little bit of color to just kind of take it up more to my eyebrow because it looks like it gets lost in my crease and everything. And I'm explaining that right here that that's what I'm going to do. Even though like I can talk when I'm not putting makeup on, when I'm putting it on and I'm dusting it all across my lid, yeah, I lose my ability to speak coherently, I guess. Not that I have much ability to speak coherently when I'm not voiceovering something. So I'm gonna just mascara my eyelashes. Get the mascara face going on. And if I thought talking while putting eyeshadow was difficult, man, like the silence, the crickets that are what come out of my voice while putting mascara on, it's epic. Okay, so I'm probably one of the only people in the world that doesn't get like the whole mouth open, eyes real wide, mascara face when I'm putting mascara on. I don't know, my mouth doesn't hang open when I'm doing my eyelashes. But I do have very long eyelashes, and I wear like a volume plumping mascara so it makes them look like falsies. All right, so then to try and recreate her pose, I don't even know if I did that well. So here, we'll kind of go this way. I'm going to move the camera. So I'm kind of zoomed in. What do you think? I don't think it's as red as hers at all. We'll zoom out a little bit, line everything back up. All right, so there we are. She must have had her eyebrows already filled in because they definitely look like they're filled in, which, whatever. So that was, I'm going to wipe this off my hand. I cannot stand having makeup on my hands like that. Oops. Just gonna rub that off there a little bit. All right. Yeah. Again, this is not a sponsored video. Not by Ulta, which is where we got our video. Not by e.l.f., which is the makeup I use. So not sponsored. However, if you want me to do a makeup art video, comment down below, and I totally will do a video with makeup. Maybe especially some nasty eyeshadow. I mean, not that it's nasty, but Caitlin got a hold of this and used baby oil with it, and so it's like goopy and nasty and can't be used for anything else, which is fine. So here we are. Here's the face. I'm gonna just pop some lipstick on quick because my lips feel all sorts of dry and I didn't have that on yet. Okay, doesn't look so bad. Kind of actually almost looks everyday-ish for me. So maybe I went a little too conservative, but there it is. There is our autumn inspired smoky eye art. What do you think? All right, guys, give it a thumbs up, down. If you liked it, subscribe. Because I love having you as part of my In the Studio family. I will see you next Wednesday. If teaching is more your thing, be sure you check out Teaching Talk on Thursdays, and I will see you next video. Bye.